guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are unboxing Apple Pencil. It's the first generation because my iPad is the third generation, and it's only compatible with this Apple Pencil, which is the first generation Apple Pencil. So it just looks like that. So I'm gonna open it. Of course, the plastic thingy. And then first thing here is this thing, the manual. Of course, the booklet for instructions. Yeah. And then the what you call that? I forgot. But yeah, it's just like a thing that you connect so you can charge your Apple Pencil. And then another tip, extra tip right there. And then this is the Apple Pencil. Oh my god. So I think I just bought this because so big, so I can like write notes on my iPad. And yeah, I bought like cases too, and keyboard for my iPad as well. And that video will be coming up soon, so watch out for that. Yeah, I did online shopping because I was bored. So it just looks like that. And like the logo is not actually a logo, but it says the Apple logo and then the pencil. And then there's a plastic as well. Whoa. Oh my gosh, it's soft. This, like where you charge it, it's like just like the charger talaga. Yan, nabubuksan siyang pa ganyan. And this is the pencil. Now let's try to connect it on my iPad. So this is what I did. I plugged in the Apple Pencil on my iPad, and it's saying Apple Pencil would like to pair with your iPad, and then just press pair. Let's see. Yep, it says connected right there. So yeah, then I'm just gonna remove it. So let's test it out. Oopsies. So press new. Whoa, oh my gosh. Blank document. Draw. Red. Subscribe. Oh my gosh. Okay. And that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell somewhere there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Oh, I love you.